And good morning to my Jeep update. Today is Tuesday, October the 10th, I believe. I'm not going to be doing any work on the Jeep today. I'm running it, checking systems, stuff like that. But I've got a doctor's appointment that messes my whole day up. And but anyway, I keep my charger on it when I can, for a trickle charger, because I do have a draw in the system somewhere. And that's the current mileage that I have now on the vehicle. I believe that puts me over 300 miles. I'll check that and I will post that differential mileage, but it should be broken in. And then I'll have the 500 mile differential gear oil change coming up later. Anyway, it's running a little rough right now, and I think that's due because I had the when I don't have the charger on it, I keep that battery disconnected because I don't want it to get run. And after I drive it, I think the PCM recalculates everything and makes adjustments, and then it runs like it's supposed to run, nice and smooth. Okay, this is my Jeep Sunday. I'm not sure of the date. I'll check that later. Anyway, I'm running some diagnostics on this, and I know I have an evap code of P0422, and I'm trying to figure out I'm not sure what all these abbreviations. I know CAT is catalytic converter. I'm not sure what the rest of them are. I'm gonna look them up. This Craftsman tool here does not support my O2 sensors, my evap system, stuff like that. It'll tell me that I have some problems, but it just gives general information. So I'm definitely going to run another smoke test. And you just saw my diagnostic tool. It doesn't support the evap system, including O2 sensors, CAT, and all that. So I'm not sure if those red flashes indicates that or if that's problem areas. I got to look into that. And I did, I've said it several times, I do have a small evap leak code, and I got to check that out. I will run another smoke test, but right now I'm going to be concentrating on reworking the suspension. As of my last video, you saw where I tightened up control arm bolts. I found the rear upper control arm ball joint had some slack in it, and I tightened that back down. That's all new, ball joint, control arm, everything, and I got the slack out of it. During a test drive with my friend that's mechanic, we found some movement in this drive shaft and pinion when we're braking. Found some movement in there when I was braking, and he said it's not supposed to be moving and jumping like that. So I've got to look into that. I'm not sure what's causing it, and I don't know if it has something to do with the pinion angle or the axle alignment. I'm just not sure.